Welcome to the Thumbnail Guy YouTube channel, where I show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a thumbnail when you want to show something is fire. One of my favorite authors, Jordan B. Peterson, just released a learning platform called Peterson Academy, where you could take courses on things such as philosophy, psychology, and nutrition, just to name a few. I think that's fire, so let's go. Click the purple Create a Design button, then click on YouTube Thumbnail. Next, we'll go over to our project folders. In the Folders tab, click the JP Fire project folders. I'll add this image to the page, then create a new page, and add the image of Jordan B. Peterson, and create one more page, and add the fire graphic. Now I'll take this image and resize it until it fits the whole page. Next, I'm going to go over to Elements, then Gradients, and we'll go to See All on the graphics, scroll down. We're going to use this gradient right here. I'm going to take the gradient and rotate it 90 degrees. Then we're going to adjust it till it reaches the center. Now I'm going to use Command D to duplicate it. Then I want to rotate it negative 90 degrees. And now I'm going to take the image of Jordan B. Peterson and I'm going to remove the background. Then I'll take the image, add it to my first page. Now delete this page. Now I'm going to resize the image a bit more. Until about right here. Next, I'll add the flame to my first page. Then I'm going to resize it. Till about right there. And I'm going to Command D to duplicate. Size. First flame a bit more. About right here. Let me size that flame a bit more. Next, I'm going to press Option 1 to see the layers. I want to take the image of Jordan B. Peterson and move them to the top layer. This is the final result. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a thanks thumbnail guide down in the comment section.